Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is our just arrived Grady-White 376 Canyon. What an awesome boat. This one's got the new 5.6 liter 425 Yamahas on it. Just real quick, one of the great things about these 425s is that you can service these engines with the boat sitting in the water. The lower units typically can't be serviced, boat has to be hauled, but these lower units you can. Other than the fact, great reliable engines, perfect power package for this boat, so you're going to love those. In the back of the boat, we have a refrigerated freezer fish box back here in the back, separated. You want to freeze your fish, clean them and freeze them, clean them up, throw them in here, hit the thermostat to freeze. You can freeze them in about an hour, or if you just want it as a refrigerator, just set the thermostat to refrigerate. This is a great option on this boat because you don't have to carry ice. Of course, Grady-White's signature back seat that's always really easy to use. Flops down out of the way. Look at the great fishing room it gives you back here in the back. Over on the port side, you can see you've got a dive door or a tuna door. Depending on what you're doing for the day, maybe it's a boarding door. Depending on what you're doing is what that is used for. Look at the hardware on that, super heavy duty. This is a great feature. There's a ladder that goes off the side of this for you as well. Really big leading post, super wide. The 37 Grady-White is a wide boat, you'll notice. So you've got two live wells, port and starboard side. You've also got the grill in the middle. You've got a bait station right here. You can put your pliers, your fillet knives, you can hang lures, hooks, that kind of thing, as well as some tackle storage down below. This is what I'm talking about as far as this boat being wide. So look at how much room there is at the helm. Look at the protection that we've got on the helm. Your electronics on this boat, they raise up out of the dash, adjustable for different heights, but then they're out of sight, out of mind. They're protected from the weather, protected from thieves. It's a great idea that Grady-White came up with. This particular 376 is got the joystick piloting, Yamaha joystick piloting on it, and it also has the bow thruster on it. So maneuverability around the dock, you're not going to be able to beat it as far as your control, that you're going to look like a pro at the dock with this. Again, the nice full windshield gives you lots of protection from the weather. I'm not going to go in there because we're doing a short video, but you've got a great sleeper down below. If you want to see that, it's air conditioned. Oh, speaking of it's air conditioned, this is also an air conditioned helm too, so you want to stay nice and cool, just blow that air conditioner on you. You've got a berth down below in the 376 Canyon. It's big for this size boat because this boat is so wide. As you move forward, you see on a lot of Grady-White center consoles now that you have the seats in the front that have the fold-away backrests on them. So when you're fishing, you're not using them. They just fold out of the way. You don't have to pull them up and put them somewhere else. You can see though that I'm a fairly tall person. I have plenty of room to stretch out and relax. I could put here, and actually another person could go forward. We've got this table in the center here that lowers down, and then you can turn this all into a sun pad up front. Of course, this has got the anchor